Crude oil today traded in a range we have seen 62.4, 62.6 on the downside, 63.6 on the upside. The levels which we had discussed earlier in the day proven out to be a strong support and resistance so far. And yes, it is still showing bullishness. Can we expect oil to give you a breakout here? Because we all know beyond 63.6, we are looking forward to 64.1 and $65 levels. Is oil going to move towards this? And what about net gas? See, natural gas has also stayed with moderate bullishness here. 3.16 on the downside, pro offered it a good support, and with that as support it is trying to bounce back. So what is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading crude oil and net gas today? We're going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you 2 updates a day with detailed analysis and logical levels. Subscribe, press the bell icon to get the notifications, join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into crude oil, followed with net gas. Watch till the see, when you look at the hourly charts for oil here, after this good rise, it has retraced and now it is back on the bullish path. It has breached past the critical resistance at 63.6. And now if you see it is staying above 63.6, you can just stay with the buys here. I'll be looking forward to 64.1, and this time I'll be looking forward to 65 as well. Yes, it is trading in this largely bullish channel where first target should be at 65, and then in fact I will look forward to 66 and 67.2 levels as well. Moving averages starting to diverge, stochastic near to top, the MACD has crossed over at the bottom and is trading bullish as of now. The RSI is trading comfortable. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour charts you can find out, see the rise, see the retracement, and now it is trying to bounce. Only worry point here is look at the resistance it is getting from 63.6 levels, and we all know 63.6 is a good resistance. There is a slight gap also need to be filled, and thus now beyond 63.6, as long as 64.1, 64.2 is not taken, I will be little cautious with the buys. But once it stays beyond 64.1, 64.2, I'll be looking forward to 65. I have shared this several times that see previously below 65 I have mentioned two targets, 63.6, 62, and then 60 directly it will hit. It is done, and in fact we have seen it moving towards the next target, 655. Now it is on the upside. The same levels which were the support are now going to be the resistance here. Also look on the downside now, 20 period offering it a very good resistance. Thus this means that till 62.4, 62.5 is not taken, do not treat this as bearish for the day. Stochastic has dropped. The MACD has just crossed over, trading with moderate bullish, and this is trying to bounce back, trying to rise here. RSI is rising. Coming to 3 hour, on the 3 hour chart, similar is the observation: rise, retracement, higher lows here, higher highs here, and it is scaling upwards. It means once it stays beyond 63.6, certainly that is a very good time for us to stay with the buys here. If you see the candles here, first rise swing candle, second swing candle, the second follow-up candle comes with the higher lows here. Thus this suggests that we may see a similar size of bullish candle, and thus this suggests that it may try to move towards 64.1, 64.2 here. Let's watch out more. Moving averages have crossed over, trading bullish here. Stochastic overbought. The MACD is again trying to cross over for the buys. I will wait for a couple of bullish candles in order to confirm the reversal. RSI rising. Coming to 4 hour. Similar observation here on the 4 hour charts. After this greater dip, it is taking the support from 2050, trying to bounce back. The highs here at around 63.6 and 64.2 is what it needs to break in order to confirm its next target towards 65. Tomorrow with the inventory, we may see further bullishness. Look at the move here. After the second dip, it is trying to bounce back. The second highs are well beyond 65. If you see the stochastic, this is overbought. The MACD is trying to cross over for the buys. The RSI is rising. Coming to the daily, on the daily charts, what has happened? Prices were trading with divergence from the 20 period. What has happened here? Now prices have converged towards 20 period. Now 20 period is offering it a bit of resistance, but notice it has spent a lot much of time here on the downside. Also it has given a breakout here, and now after the retracement trying to bounce back. So now once it trades beyond 63.6 and 64.2, our targets are going to be towards 65 and in fact 66 levels. Very much easily possible here. Why? See, we have seen a greater dip, and now it is time for oil to cover up a bit, or cover up some of the losses what we had seen in oil in the recent past. See, we have seen the drop all the way from 72 to 55. Now it is time for it to recover a bit. So now once it trades beyond 63.6, 64.2, we are looking forward to a good rise. Stochastic overbought here. The MACD is crossing over at the bottom, and this also confirms the reversal here in the oil prices. The RSI is rising as well. So now before I provide you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me on Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now with this, very easy, buy at 63.6. When you see the lower price above 63.6, initiate a buying entry here, initiative buying position here, expected to move towards 64.1 and then 65 levels. Beyond 65, you can expect more bullishness here. Beyond 65, we are looking forward to 65.8, 66, and then in fact 67.2 will be there very very soon. If not today, with the inventory data, it may show you the lead, but right now it is not showing any such reversal sign. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 63. See, ideally, you have to wait for 62.6, 62.4 zone to be taken. But if you see it now is trading below 62.8, or rather, you can jump a bit early, 63.2 levels itself. Yes, if you see the higher price below 63.2, you can take a sell, expect 63, 62.8, and then 62.6, 62.4. Till 62.4, it has got greater support. Only and only if oil breaks below 62, you can say the bears are back, and then you can expect it to move towards uh, 61.5 and then in fact $60 level, but appears to be less. Let's see which direction it gives you a breakout. Thus take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Let's move to natural gas. See, natural gas on the hourly charts, you can see enough consolidation is done. It is finding a very good support here at around 3.16, trying to bounce back. Now it is also waited for the 20 period moving average to come down. So if you see it is staying above 3.22, you can buy and expect it to move towards 3.2526 at the first. And remember, we have shared several times that 3.3, 3.32, which was the support earlier, breaching below this, you can expect a good correction. It has moved all the way towards 3.1516 zone, but trying to recover. So once you see it is staying above 3.2, 3.22 zone, you can expect it to trade with good bullish momentum where 3.26, 3.3 should be there. Stock IST is starting to rise on the hourly charts. The MACD has crossed over. It is trading with divergence and bullishness looking upwards. And if you see the RSI, this is coming out of the oversold zone. Coming to 2 hour, likewise on the 2 hour charts, after forming a flat base, it is trying to bounce back, trying to rise here. It is still trading with divergence from the 20 period. It may expect, or it can try to move towards 20 period, which is sitting right now at around 3.24, 3.26. Beyond this, it might invite more bulls, and then we can look forward to in fact 3.4, 3.5 levels should be there soon. But right now it is not willing to give up. We have to wait for it to deliver a breakout in order to confirm the direction here. Stock is comfortable. The MACD is crossed over. It is trading with moderate bearishness. Right now, it is trading with, you can say, it is waiting for the crossover here. And when you look at the RSI, this is again just coming out of the oversold zone. Coming to 3 hour chart, similar observation more or less. You can see it is just consolidating, neither willing to break on the downside nor trading bullish here. We have to wait for it to stay beyond 3.22, where you can expect the bulls to take over. And in fact, you can buy at 3.2 itself, but then you have to wait for 3.24, 3.26 to be taken. Beyond this, you can expect bullishness to prevail. And when you look at the movement 20 period, definitely offering it a greater resistance. It has to break past the resistance in order to confirm the reversal. Stock rising sharp. The MACD after hitting the bottom, waiting for a crossover here, and the RSI is oversold. Coming to 4 hour chart, on the 4 hour chart, similar observation here. Yes, striking back towards the 20 period, we have seen a drop, and now it should try to bounce back. It is right now struggling here, and thus you have to wait for 3.2, 3.22 zone to be taken in order to confirm the reversal. Yes, it is trading with too much of divergence from the 20 period, and thus there should be a possible move which can take the prices all the way towards 20 and 50 period moving average. The stock rising from the oversold levels. The MACD is bearish, trying to cross over for the buys. RSI is oversold. Coming to the daily chart. On the daily charts, what has happened here? See, it has breached this support at 3.3 yesterday, and after this breach, we have seen a great grand drop here. But notice what it has tried to achieve here is to fill the gap. There is a gap at 3.1, and in fact, not even 3.1. There is a stronger gap available at around 2.8, 2.7. And thus, if at all natural gas breaks here, this is going to be very very significant move, because once it trades below 3, we can see increasing bearishness here. Look at the moving averages. These have crossed over, trading with divergence, staying bearish. Also notice that the prices are trading with divergence from the 20, and thus as long as it stays with the divergence, we should not be treating this as bullish. And that is that on the least side. On the upside, see, it can break past the resistance and rally strong. However, right now it is not showing any such strength. Stock is extremely oversold. The MACD is also at bottom. The RSI is at bottom. So looking at this, I will recommend you to see first about the buying entries. I will recommend at 3.2, 3.22 zone. Expect 3.2526 at the first, 3.3, 3.32 at the second, and then you can expect 3.4. Beyond 3.4, it is going to deliver massive move here. On the downside, I will recommend now a selling entry at 3.14 levels, where you can expect 3.1, 3.05 and $3 levels. Any drop below $3 levels is a clear sign of more prevailing bearishness here in natural gas prices. You have to be watchful and cautious there. Take your trades and take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates. And join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Trade with caution. Trade with a stop loss and a trailing stop loss. Thank you. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session. Do not miss to watch that update. Thank you.